Bird Migration Chapter 4, page 42. Humans move from their birthplace to other places for jobs or work. In the same way, birds fly from one place to another due to many different reasons. Why are birds important to our environment? Bird droppings are useful for plant growth. Termed guano. Birds help in pest control. Birds reduce corn insect pests. They maintain island ecology. They eat as many as 450,000 kilograms of bugs in a single year. Birds are a man's and the environment's best friends. They could be kept as pets. They can perform marvelous feats like human beings who go in search of job opportunities to earn their living. Birds travel from place to place for different reasons. Their movement is seasonal. There are surprising facts about their movement. The migration of birds is as old as the history of mankind. Yet it's a surprise. Why do birds keep migrating from place to place? There is no satisfactory answer. However, there are many facts related to the amazing phenomenon called bird migration. The word migration refers to the movement of birds from one place to another, from lowlands to highlands, lands, and from the interior to the seacoast. Birds migrate for various reasons. During winter, birds go to warmer places to survive. The birds that feed on insects will not be able to find food. Birds migrate depending on the seasons. How do birds identify seasonal changes? It is said that birds can find the seasonal changes by knowing the length of the day. It is also believed that birds can understand it when days are shorter and when they are longer. This ability in birds functions like an alarm clock. Birds breed in summer, and this is also connected with migration. During this season, birds migrate northward. The change in the length of days and the lack of food tell the bird to migrate to suitable places. The breeding instinct helps them migrate up north. In late summer, many birds fly down south. Sometimes they travel to different continents and return to their nests in their own country in spring. Their ability to find their home is as amazing as their readiness to migrate. How do birds find their way home? There is a belief that birds can understand the magnetic fields that surround the earth. These magnetic fields run from the North Pole to the South Pole. Perhaps the birds are directed themselves by these lines of force. However, this theory has not been proved. Birds migrate for many reasons and may have their instinct to find their way home. The Arctic terns are the champions among the birds. These travel an average of 22,000 miles a year. During its flight, the terns nests at different places and takes about 20 weeks to make its trip down the Antarctic region. Its average speed is 1,000 miles a week. Most land birds make short hops during their migration. The American golden plover is an exception. It makes a long, non-stop flight and can fly a distance of about 2,400 miles over water without food or stopping. Birds do not actually begin their migration the same day every year. For instance, the famous swallows of California are supposed to leave on October 23rd and return on March 19, but their dates of departure and return have been found to be varying from year to year. Birds migrate for satisfying their needs as human beings do. Some facts about birds.